Hi everybody, it's Mikey from Usuallybrokencars. I'm with Charlie.
Hi there.
Today, unfortunately, the Porsche is dead, so the old girl is not doing too well. We're going to push it onto Charlie's trailer, and we're going to take it back to his workshop, see if we can get it running. So, fingers crossed it's something simple. Oh, hang on. Oh God, take the camera. I can't do it with the camera.
Can we do it? Yeah.
Okay.
Good one.
Yeah, she's up the hump, boy. Hello, gorgeous girl. Hello, beautiful baby girl. Hey. No. No, it's not tidy. It's, if it didn't have the rust on it, I'd be over the moon. But...
a bit of character.
Yeah, I mean, I don't mind it. I just don't want to poke it too hard. The thing is, the underneath, you'll see it, the underside is solid. The underside is properly solid. Just filling you in, so basically I went for a drive on Sunday and I was out for about an hour. I did about 20 miles around the villages and the car was absolutely faultless. I had a great drive, it was really nice. I was by myself, so you know, I gave it a little bit of stick, nothing major, and then yeah, got home, keyed it off, and that's it. It will not start anymore. So not really sure what's going on. So Charlie very kindly, we did have some plans for tonight, maybe get to do them as well, it all depends. But yeah, Charlie very kindly offered to come and get the vehicle and we'll go and chuck it on the ramp at work, and fingers crossed it's just a faulty fuel pump and we're laughing because I've got a spare one in the car.
But you're going to be, we'll leave the trailer out just in case, but you'll be driving it home.
Oh, 100%.
So that's no sweat.
Yes. Very nice. Got it in the workshop. We're now going to get it up on the ramp. We're going to have a look at the fuel pump and basically see if it's getting alive, and potentially even put a live up it. And fingers crossed it turns out it's just a fuel pump, because it will be a really easy fix. Right, just to explain what you're doing, mate.
We are going to check if the fuel pump's got power when we crank the car.
So fuel pump is over here.
First things first.
I mean, oh, saying that, look at it. There is a bit of sediment in there.
Yeah.
It's not horrendous though.
Point doesn't look very good, is it? A bit too big.
Yeah, I know that. You try and find a pipe that fits these fucking things. So, yeah, fuel pump is hiding up here. We can just undo the, just snip the lines. Yeah, pair of snips, mate. We'll get the fuel pump hanging.
Quick release fuel pump.
Quick release fuel pump. I mean, I was almost tempted to, you can actually just put them straight in the boot. That'll make life fucking easy, wouldn't it? There you go, lad.
So,
Where did I put that torch? Hang on. Wow, this is so bright.
oh, okay, so you go. Where's this pump? Is it so you put a new pump on it?
Yeah, had a new pump when we got the vehicle, because that was not working when I got it.
Positive. Negative. Let's see. We've got power. With my trusty power probe.
Better than an anal probe.
Oh dear. We could actually just do it the old-fashioned way, couldn't we? So we could go. We've got an F.
Yep. Well, the pump's working.
Oh, look at that.
Do it again. Okay.
Let's see if the car's giving the pump power though. So.
No.
No power.
No.
Nada.
Nothing, bruv.
Okie dokie.
Here we go. So, you should, in theory, get a live to the fuel pump. When you crank the vehicle, because these are a bit pants, it should send a live to the pump, and then we'll go from there. So, what's next, Charles?
We're going to check the fuel pump relay. And if need be, we can bridge it, just to prove that it is that.
Charlie's now looking at the fuel pump relay because we are not getting a live sent to the fuel pump. So we need to work out why the relay isn't actually sending anything. So that's next port of call. Charlie's now just having a look inside his Mark 1 GTI because we believe that it might have the same fuel pump relay. It actually has the same fuel system. No luck on the relay front, so the Mark 1 GTI, whilst it has the same fuel system, doesn't have the same relay. So, yeah, going to maybe try and bridge it next, I guess. I don't know.
See that around the pins? That pin's a bit rusty.
Yeah, agreed.
There's like some green.
Yeah, totally agree.
Corrosion.
I reckon pop her open, mate. We've had her open before when we first did it, but my vehicle has got quite wet in my garage because my garage wasn't overly watertight. I mean, actually, it looks pretty clean in there. I was hoping that was going to be all like green and... Can we not bench test it and stick 12 volts up and see if it does it?
It'd be easier to do it on the car, I think, to do the bridge.
What, so if we just squeeze it closed?
No, we'll use 2 pieces of cable.
Yes.
There's 2 little pins on it.
So what about the plug end though? So if this was green around the bottom here, is it worth looking at the plug?
Yeah, definitely.
It is a bit rusty, and it's been messed with before. Is that you guys messing with it?
Yeah.
With pins and plugs and stuff.
Don't remember that bit. So as soon as you plug that in, will that make it, it will fire the fuel pump straight away? Even without ignition? All depends if it's getting alive, I suppose.
There's a live feed down there.
Okay.
Permanent live.
Okay.
Is there.
So how will you know which to put it into based on that?
You've got...
Oh, okay, so we're basically just going to bridge the top one. And then
30 and 87.
Is that 87 or is that 87?
It says on them.
Oh, okay.
Those 2.
So it's 2 big ones. Okay. Oh, yeah. Point it in, say like, so explain what you'd see.
So here, on this pin here, it's rusty.
Yeah.
All around the pin.
Yeah.
The others look okay. That one looks a bit discoloured.
Yeah.
But you touch the power probe on it, it's still working. And it's the same, probably can't see it very well.
Oh, saying that, so it's only terminals.
Yeah, it's only terminals. You can see the rust has come through the back of that.
Yeah. So in theory, like you could actually bypass the plug itself and put new spades.
Yes.
And then just do it that way.
Providing the water hasn't tracked up the cable or anything, there's no reason why you can't do that.
That's a Mercedes thing, that is.
Tracking up cables.
Oh, fucking nightmare, isn't it? We're going to give it a go and crank it while Charlie is basically bridging. It might cough and splatter a bit, but we shall see.
Right.
So as you can hear, it's running. So actually there's nothing horrendously wrong with it, but we've now got to work out why the relay isn't doing what it should be doing. Next step. So Charlie's gonna give it a spray inside the terminal. Fingers crossed we can get some of that rust and stuff out of there.
Straight away.
Has it made a blind bit of difference? Probably not. Give it a whirl.
That could just be though that it's.
That's fuel in it.
Hang on, hold that.
Am I filming something?
Yeah.
I'm actually going to test it.
In what respect?
See if those pins have got power.
Oh, okay.
Power. Yeah.
So it's just a bit of rust on the pins.
Yeah.
How bizarre that that stopped working.
It's good.
That was so bizarre.
Well, that's good.
Okay, so 924 lives. You know, Charlie is a legend, and it was basically, I've got a really shitty fuse box, so we're going to have to maybe find a second-hand one online, see what we can find, and basically get a new fuse box. It hopefully might sort some of the problems, because I'm having real issues with the windows and with the wipers as well. So let's have a little look and see what else we can do. We've got a few jobs to do today as well. Like I say, try and maybe get the windows and the washers working properly. So yeah.